Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. No! Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. No! Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi Joe, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. Hi Mom, can I see my shop? Wow. Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows falling very fast. Kitty laughs, what does that splat? Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no, what now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Oh yeah. Kitty laughs, make a wish. Oh yeah. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops so loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go no mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Yes. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay Farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at that. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Love but good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Choo Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Wow, toddler Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E. Oh, saw jungle night. Wow. Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. A, Mr. A, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hide away and it all. Mr. H, Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in hippo water splash. When Q-U-H in one fast dash. K-H-U-H all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet big key. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, Mr. I, Mr. I, Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in the bush so low. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy gum. Got U.S. you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding under leaves so wide. Got you, Jill, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Chop you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle air. Jungle letters side by side. Petey searching every tree. Fun adventure wild and free. Mr. Q, Mr. Q, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush so small. Got you, Q, I saw it all. Onto our Mr. R, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the jungle stone. But you're not alone. Slithering under leafy bed. Up you see, you're found 99. A to C, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Hiding under leaves so wide. Get your tongue outside. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Flying high above the sky. But you don't fly by. Here to stop Oh, bubbles, crack, cash plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles just crash, crash. Staff up, pop, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small. Then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Up, bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Up goes one right on Kitty's nose. Then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, pop. jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall, tiny bubbles, giant ball. Kitty spins and flips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air, popping bubbles everywhere. Last big bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high, pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.
It's so much fun.
La 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 la. Boom boom